Hey DIYers, for years turntables have been gaining popularity, especially for music aficionados who love good sound quality. Now I have a feeling this video might be a bit controversial, but I want to preface it by saying that the House of Marley asked me to come up with a DIY to embellish one of their beautiful turntables and a set of Bluetooth speakers. It was a request, and though I love this turntable in its original form, I thought, why not? This could be fun. And just a side note, for 150 years, everything from Victrolas to turntables have been painted and embellished to fit the style of the day. So I feel like I'm just continuing a very long tradition. Okay, now before I get into the project, the first thing I want to tell you is that these speakers and this turntable are fantastic. And for the price, I think they're right up there with the really expensive brands and models. Low self-noise, mindfully sourced materials, easy access to jacks and switches, and I'm terrible with that kind of thing, and just a great sounding turntable. And I love that the speakers are also Bluetooth and can be connected to the deck. Well, today we are embellishing the face of the speakers and the plinth on the turntable using Redesign with Prima's Decor transfers in the pattern Albury. I thought a lot about what to do with this particular set, and to me, this pattern seemed perfect. They have warm caramel tones and brown tones, and I think it's gonna match beautifully. Don't forget to thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just wanna say hello. And I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's make over this turntable.
Your goodbye left me with eyes that cry.
It would be great if you could thumbs up this video and leave me a comment. I would actually love to know how you would have made over this turntable and set of speakers. I'm cutting the designs out in small pieces for the plinth, and the great thing about these decor transfers is that you can layer them if you're super careful. So if you need to add a flower over a flourish, no problem. Eldridge Johnson was the manufacturer of the Victor Victrola, and by 1917 he was making well over 500,000 Victrolas per year. And for the wealthy customer, Victrolas were available in a variety of custom designs with hand-painted images, exotic wood, and Japanese lacquer finishes. One of the reasons I wanted to work with the House of Marley is because of their commitment to charitable causes. Proceeds from the product sales go to support global reforestation through Project Marley. Their eco-conscious identity was created in collaboration with the Marley family to carry on Bob Marley's legacy of love for music and our planet, and I can definitely get behind that. I'm going to leave a link to the House of Marley and Redesign with Prima in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books, I think you'll like them, and I will see you next week. Bye.